If you can dream it, you can make it. Advanced manufacturing provides a lot of opportunities. You know, a lot of times people think additive manufacturing, just 3D printing with thermoplastics, but advanced manufacturing goes way beyond that. The Marine knows how to design the milling process so that it ends up being a perfect boat propeller that matches exactly the propellers that you need on your small boats. Just knowing what's possible for an individual with just a little bit of knowledge goes a long, long way and is very powerful. And seeing that manifest with somebody on the hobby side and then applying it to Marines across the MEF was really quite powerful. The systems that the Marines have and are fighting with today are different from the ones that my Marines might build tomorrow. And so it provides a lot more uncertainty for the enemy. What do I have to defend against? Well, you don't know, because what are my Marines going to develop and build tomorrow? You don't have to wait 6 months for a part to be repaired whenever you can create that part internal to your unit. Or if your commander says, really need to strike something 200 kilometers away. Well, when your Marine can build that in a 48-hour time period, that means that commander can come up with any requirement he wants to kill our adversaries and can employ it. Marines can build systems that can intercept aircraft even for $500. A corporal nowadays can build a drone that can fly 200-300 miles an hour and destroy enemy unmanned aerial systems that cost $30,000 or more. The Marine Corps and 3MEF is investing in robotics skills in Marines, and that gives us a next level of lethality that should truly terrify our adversaries. It's not just the power of the individual rifleman, which already is terrifying, but now it's the individual rifleman paired with a series of lethal capabilities that will hunt and kill you on their own as well. As long as there's a passion, and with that passion we can stoke it and use that creativity to defeat our enemies on foreign shores.